Okay, I'm making a little video of the before and after. This is the stock exhaust, and here in just a little bit I'm about to have the B&B bullets put on exhaust system. So here we go. This is the stock exhaust on the Vette at idle. Like I said, I'm just doing this to give anyone who's considering buying the bullets an idea of the before and after. And now I'm about to rev it. Okay, this is the rev, and now I'm about to go have the bullets installed, and then I'll record a little bit more after those are installed, and we'll get an idea of the difference in the sound. Thanks a lot. Okay, just got back and had the B&B bullets installed on my 2012 Inferno orange Vette, and now we're going to crank it up at idle. Then I'm going to have it revved a little bit, and then going to take a trip up and down the road here and listen to it. So anyway, here we go. As you can tell, this is at idle, and it definitely sounds a lot nicer than the stock exhaust that comes on the Corvettes. So anyway, now we'll rev it up a little bit and see what kind of sound we get out of it. Okay, that's a little bit of the revving, probably at about 4 RPMs. So anyway, I'm going to shut this off and back it out and see what it sounds like taking off and coming down the road in it.